Hey, I'm Ms. Kope. I teach English at Cooper High School. Here's some of my favorites. Love the ocean. Here is my family of four, my hubby, my adult daughter, and my adult son. They both are Cooper graduates, I'm proud to say. 2013 for Ethan, 2019 for Cassie. Here's my cat. His name's Wolf. I don't know why. My son named him, but I love him. And here's my son's dog, Spot. Isn't he cute? I also love to bike. My goal is to bike to school 3 times a week this year. We'll see how I do. Ask me in a month. And I love vanilla birthday cake. Cupcakes are my favorite, and I make sure to have at least one a week. At Cooper, I teach English 10 and IB higher level year 2 or the 12th grade higher level literature class. And I'm also an advisor. My advisory is it's in 12th grade this year. That should be 12. They are seniors. They're going to graduate this year, so that's exciting. And I also have a Hawk Lunch and Learn called Craftastic. I love artsy, craftsy stuff. And if you ever want to sign up for that, I've got tons of free craft stuff, and we can make all kinds of stuff. It's lots of fun. So that's a little bit about me. Welcome to room 243, and I can't wait to get to know you.